Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So because of popular request, I updated the Aimogen plugin, which is linked in this video description, and now you will be able to use the PDF chat feature of the plugin, which is able to upload PDF files into the chatbot and limit the number of uploaded pages and also characters for membership levels from Ultimate Membership Pro plugin. So this will work in the latest update of the plugin. You just need to go to the limits and statistics. Also, you will need to enable the PDF chat feature. So be sure to enable this feature. You will need to install the PDF extension for the plugin, enable embeddings, and also set up the PDF extension. Afterwards, you will be able to check this checkbox. And when you done this, you can go to AI usage limits tab in the limits and statistics menu, and you can as an alternative enable global usage limits, and instead of queries you can set also maximum chatbot upload PDF page count, and even better you can create rules for this. So here in the bottom section, rule-based restrictions, you can set up maximum chatbot uploaded PDF page count, for example, to allow maximum of 5 PDF pages for the Ultimate Membership Pro subscription plan, which is basic. So click settings and you will see this, save, and this rule was created. So 5 PDF pages are allowed for the basic Ultimate Membership Pro plan. Let's create 10, for example, maximum chatbot uploaded page count for the Pro, because we set here basic. So 5, 10, and let's say, for example, 15 pages at maximum for the Ultra Pro plan, and we save this. So keep in mind you can restrict this by user role also, or by user ID list if you want to enter a comma separated list of user IDs. And also you can set a message which will appear for users who are restricted in the chatbot PDF uploading process. So keep in mind that you need to set up also Ultimate Membership Pro with a subscription and set your subscriptions. They will appear here. And don't forget also to set up a rule. For example, only one page is allowed for users who are not subscribed. So keep in mind you should check also this. So users who are not subscribed, you should limit their usage also, because not subscribed users otherwise will have no limitation. Okay, so this is the setup. You can go ahead and use it. You can restrict the number of pages which are allowed to be uploaded based on membership levels, and you can also change the number of characters which are allowed to be uploaded in PDF files using these other settings, which can be set up similarly as the page count. Okay, so this will be available in the chatbot using this interface. I think I covered everything that I wanted to say. So if you have more ideas, questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. Have a nice day. Bye bye.